Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to fix Adobe PDF file not opening in Windows 10 or previous version of Windows. Now, before any further delays, let's get started. Now, first thing is whenever you try to download a PDF file or try to open a PDF file, what I would suggest you to check is if that particular PDF document is meant to be or associated with the Adobe Reader, because so in my case, I have a PDF file on my computer screen. If you look at the screen, it has been associated with a notepad, which is not the right way. If you try to open this particular PDF file, it will open up in a different file. It doesn't open up in the right format. So what you will have to do is you will have to make sure it is associated with the right program, that is Adobe Reader. So what you will have to do is you'll have to do a right click on that particular file, click on Open With and select Adobe Reader. Or you can go to Properties and change the file format program from Notepad to select to Adobe Acrobat Reader and click on OK. So if you look at the screen, the file format has been changed to Adobe Reader from, and if you try to open that particular file, it opens up with the Adobe Reader. In case if that doesn't work, what I would suggest you is I would suggest you to open Adobe Reader on your computer. Either you can look for Adobe by clicking on the Start menu, or you can in the search box you can go ahead and type Adobe and select Adobe Reader. And once you go on, once you have Adobe Reader open, you will have to click on Edit. Under Edit, you will have to go to Preferences. Under Preferences, you will have to select Security Enhanced and go ahead and uncheck this particular box and click on Yes and click on OK. So once you click on OK and then try to open the PDF file and see if that works. In case if that doesn't work, what I would suggest you to update your Adobe Reader to the latest version. Go to Help and click on Check for updates. So what it will do is it will check for the latest updates which is available for Adobe Acrobat Reader. And in case if you have the latest updates, what I would suggest you is then try to open the Adobe file. In case if that doesn't work, then go to Help again, click on Repair Installation. So go ahead and repair the installation. In case if the file has been corrupted or installation has been corrupted, you might face a problem. In case none of this step work, the another step what I would suggest you is try to open a different file, a different PDF file using Adobe Reader and see if that works. In case if that works, which means that there is a password protection on that particular file, or it is likely that the file which has been shared across to you or the file which you're trying to open is being corrupted. So these are the steps which you can try to fix the Adobe or a PDF file not opening on Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In case if you need any assistance, leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a resolution. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.